Hi, this video is going to help you embed Padlets into your Canvas pages. For those of you who haven't used Padlet, it's a really great interactive workspace that is really easy to use and very Canvas friendly. So this is a really great tool to have students collaborate, post reflections, jot resources, also for you to allow sharing of lots of different resources that students could then click on and explore. So this is one that's already been finished. As you can see, what students would do when they would get to a page like this is go ahead and hit that plus button. Students could write their name and then add their response. So I think, let's make that a little better. In chapter 4, it's quite evident that our protagonist is facing extreme difficulties as he wrestles with his decision. I wonder what he'll do as the plot thickens. So students can add text. They can also add any other they can voice record video, add images, add a file. So there's lots of possibilities for what could happen on this board. So to create a Padlet, you need to be registered as a teacher. Students do not need an account. As a teacher, go ahead and register for a Padlet if you don't have one already. You click New Padlet. I love their inspirational love always on this website. So I am going to call this Research Reflections for the Grows and Glows of being a digital truth seeker in the 21st century. You can select how things are arranged. You can choose a wallpaper. There's plenty of options. I might use the chalkboard to go old school. Whatever you prefer. Then what you can do is continue through. Go through and yep, that's pretty much everything I would like. And then here is my wonderful password. So I am going to keep this private. You can also password protect it, make it public or private. Since we are dealing with students, we are going to keep this secret. Okay, and then here you can get to that point where you start posting. So you can have glows, finding resources in NC Wise Owl, and so on and so forth. Then what you're going to do is click share. Now we're going to export this to embed it essentially into our Canvas course. So we're going to click this embed, and we are going to take this iframe embed code. Now what I'm going to do is go to Canvas. I'm going to make a new page. So I'm going to add a page. I'm going to call this Research Reflections to match my Padlet. Now we're in the general text editor. I need to go to the HTML to get that embed to work. So now I'm going to drop that embed code that I got. I'm going to save this. And now I will have a Padlet that students can write on. If you would like to change the dimensions, you can go back in and change that in the HTML editor. We can change the width and the height. So if I want to make this a little bit taller, I could make this 680. And so you can customize as works best for you, and then students will be able to log on and post away. So this is a really great tool, and I hope you can see how you might be able to put this to work in the classroom.